Bienvenidos a Cabo.
Hello everybody and welcome from Cabo San Lucas. Today we are gonna go out for sharks. Our plan will be to start with snorkeling, hopefully with blue and Mako sharks. And if we get lucky or not, then we might go and look for some whales on the way back or close to the shore. So get ready, we will have an episode of a full day Pacific Ocean exploration. Amazing fun. Above the water and under the water as well. So let's see what we can find today out there. While you can see how we got ready and left the marina in Cabo for our day adventure, please remember to subscribe to this YouTube channel if you like sharks, wildlife, and would like to get notifications of future videos. All the new subscribers, likes, shares, comments help us big time. And right now, let's get to a little briefing by Evans, the owner of Baja Shark Experience.
Looking for pelagic species is something completely different than what you might used to. We are looking for solitary species, so that means basically that all the hard work we're gonna do, and you're gonna understand, I'm gonna explain to you why. Everything we're gonna do is most likely for one shark. We are looking for one single shark today. If we get lucky, what can happen is that we have two sharks from the same species, maybe two blue sharks, because the area is very productive. There's a lot of food in the area. They might.
It's super important to have everything the best prepared to attract these sharks, and then nothing else remains but waiting. We actually didn't need to wait too long until the first shark, a very cooperative juvenile shortfin makoshark, arrived, and it was curious enough in the bait to be able to jump in right away in the water and spend some good time with it. It had a very good attitude. It was curious enough to come close and check us out, but not too curious to make people feel uncomfortable in the water. At this point, we were already happy. We had one of the target species showing up pretty quickly. It allowed us to get in the water with it. It wasn't shy, didn't swim away. So our day already was definitely worth. Look at the slow motion footage, how graceful these animals are. You might not believe it, but these are one of the fastest fishes and the fastest sharks in the oceans. Being happy probably generated good enough vibes, and soon enough another shark species, a blue shark, showed up. The first blue shark which came had a dislocated jaw, and it was very curious. So we spent a lot of time with it. Then other individual, one or potentially even two different blue sharks showed up, paraded in front of us, checked out the bait and checked out the white torpedo lowered especially for blue sharks, which really get attracted by these. So two shark species, the most important ones, which I never seen before, and actually I went out already like 5-6 times to try to find them without any luck. But the show didn't end here. We started to have different silky sharks coming by, 2 or 3 of them, one with some pilot fishes, which you can see here. And if we would have thought that's it, no, definitely not. Suddenly all of the sharks were around us. So given moments we had 4 or 5 sharks of 2-3 species, 2-3 different species around us. So the waters became effectively a shark soup where free swimming, alive, happy sharks surrounded us. I wanted to share this video with as many of you as possible, not only to show how beautiful, incredible and graceful these sharks are, but also to show that even when you're in the middle of the blue, even when there is bait and chum involved, sharks are not interested in humans. They are not out there to get us. They're apex predators of the oceans. And if we share this habitat with them, sometimes, extremely rarely, some accidents happen. But accidents also happen with cars on highways, and we don't want to get rid of all the cars. At a point, even a Marlin came close. Sometimes it happens due to the chum. And this Marlin swam close enough to be able to chase it down and get some semi-decent underwater footage of it. finally back on land after an amazing, a truly amazing day where we found so much more what we were originally looking for. In the water with sharks, we had blue sharks, Mako sharks, and even Silky sharks. More than one of each. We had at least 7 different sharks swimming with us. Amazing day, best possible outcome ever. On the way out and back, we've seen humpback whales. We got pretty close to them, and in the marina we've seen a very cool sea lion too. So definitely a truly full and amazing day, which I can recommend to anyone and everyone who likes sharks and wildlife in general, or who are here in Cabo and just want to do something cool. If you're here, if you want to do this, look for Baja Shark Experience. Definitely they're the guys you want to go with. They're the ones who set this trip up, and thank you very much. It could not be better. So I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please don't forget to subscribe and like and share and all those good stuff. That all helps. So again, don't forget, subscribe here. More videos coming. And why? Because tomorrow actually I'm heading out to Socorro, to Revillagigedo to dive, and I heard some cool stuff out there. So I have 1 week of diving in one of the best places in the world, in the middle of the Pacific. So I will get a little video next from there. So see you soon.